G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean out a clutch cable to make the clutch smooth operating, clean all the junk out of it and lubricate the cable. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First thing we need to do is remove the lever and free this cable so we can get access to the cable for the lubricating tool. Now the clutch cable is free from the lever and perch. There's already a lot of dirt built up on the inside here, and we need to get this clutch cleaning tool and lubricating tool, place that on the clutch and get our WD-40 spray, which will inject it all the way through and it will come out the other end, which will make this cable very easy to use and free it up, and also give it much longer service life because the rust and stuff like that in there will wear the cable out and it will last much longer once you've done this. Simply grab your clutch cleaning tool. You'll see one end is larger and the other end is only very narrow. The narrow end goes where the cable is and the larger end just goes around this outer edge. So place it in like so and then just tighten it up. Once it is tight on the clamp, it should seal it from leaking on each end. It will leak a little but not too much. And there is this hole in one section where you place your WD spray in there, and as you squirt it in, it'll go through here and inside the cable, and the fluid will come out the other end with all the dirt and rubbish. So once it's connected, simply squirt it in. You can see some popping out here. Because this is a two-piece cable, once it's lubricated from here to here, you'll have to take this off. Slide this up here and replace your clamp on this section to do the cable from here all the way down to the rest of the bike. Now you should get the rest of the fluid from this point all the way back down to the very bottom. That first section only lubricated this much. And this is just going straight down to the very bottom part of the cable. Simply remove this rubber boot and you'll see the fluid and any rubbish come straight out. Once it's cleaned itself out, simply replace the rubber boot back on there. And now the clutch cable is well lubricated and very easy to use. Also cleaned and will preserve its life much better. So once you're happy it's well lubricated and cleaned, simply remove this clamp. Then you just readjust your clutch. I normally like to have a little bit of just like about 1 or 2 mil gap here, just on a little bit of free play, so that one there to me is a little bit too tight, so just slacken it off a little. That there to me feels much nicer. It's just that tiny little bit of slack, that's how I like them. And now, very easy to use, well lubricated, and will last much longer. And that's it, job's finished. It's a very easy, simple job. Maintaining your clutch cable will give you much easier use of your clutch. It'll make it nice and light. It'll also make your clutch cable last much longer. Thanks for watching.